Now, good morning. Welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today, we're going to continue character modeling. So, I go to Outliner. I go click my reference picture. I go click the eye icon to, reveal the reference picture. So, I go start to the reshape from the neck now. So, I want to reduce the size of the neck. The neck dey too thick, so I go click that one as scaling, and then I go scale the neck down a little bit, and then I go to light view by pressing 3. I go scale am, go inside small. So another way you fit scale be say you go fit press S, but if you press S, it means say you dey scale everything at a time. But if you dey use either red, green or Z, it means say you dey scale one particular side. If na green, that means say na right side you dey scale your object from. If na from front view, it means say na from front view from X. If you dey use red, from it means say na red, only that side, only the X axis wey you dey scale. So and like so I go dey scale am. I go scale for Z axis, I go scale for X axis, just to make the thing look moderate and perfect. Because if you just dey press S to scale am, it go distort your modeling. If you wan try am, you go fit try am, because everything requires experimentation. So like so na im you go dey do. I go dey scale am down. I go double click here to select everything. I go shift that box, which is Y box. I go shift and go back to scale am for there, and then I go continue to dey do wetin I dey do. I go continue to dey scale up, scale down in the X axis, Z axis and X axis to get the exact size wey I want, wey I dey like. So na like so I go continue to dey do. Remember, say I tell you say every details wey I dey do now I go dey explain am, but later on when we get to when I don believe say you suppose don learn a lot of things wey be say I no go need to dey explain all these things again, I go just fast forward the video, and you go dey do things on your own. So now wetin I dey do be say I dey move point, because all these points now dem dey too close, and e no go make sense as time goes on, because e go compound our problem, and I no want any problem to be compounded. So wetin I go dey do be say I go dey tackle every problem. From now on I go dey tackle all problems wey dey come our way. So if you look at the neck, e be like say one side go front small, so I go click the vertex wey dey beside, and then I go shift and go front, just to do wetin, to make am smooth, to adjust my mesh, my object. So na like that I go dey do small small, like that I go dey go gradually. I no go dey too hurry or anything. So now I don press Ctrl+7 to go to bottom view. So wetin I wan do for bottom view be say I wan readjust. Na adjustment we still dey do. We go continue to dey adjust, just to make your this thing perfect. Remember, as I tell you say if you no make am perfect now, later it go become a big problem. So I just dey select some parts, and I dey scale in, scale out. I dey do things, this one are just movement. So that's how we do it. If I see say wetin I dey do get problem, I go check, I go correct am. Like so, that's how to do character modeling, or anything wey we see in the model. Anywhere where you no fit see, if you make any changes, go check the surroundings if e dey perfect. Because if you no check am now, later you go realize say you don make mistake, and the mistake for don plenty that time. So now I go dey I go continue to dey reposition my vertices, just to give us a better look of our model. I go continue to dey do am, I go continue to dey do am non-stop. So I no just go allow this thing to tire me. So na so I go continue. It requires patience if you wan do character modeling in particular, because modeling human human form dey a little bit difficult. So I go select that edge and then I go press E for extrusion, and then I go press G and then bring it down. I go press extrusion again, but this time I no go bring am down. I go first scale am first, like so. You go scale am before you bring it down. So now the shoulder I dey try make for here. So e be like say the length of the neck don dey alright. So I go dey try to make the shoulder. So now this thing don dey connected. I go press Ctrl Z because I no want any vertex to connect to another. So I go scale am small, and then I go try to separate these two vertices first. I go go to movement, and then I go click. I go make sure say dem get space well well, like so. So I go check for back too if problem no dey. As problem no dey now, I go continue to dey extrude and drag downward. So now I don dey layout. I wan check, and I see say for here for the neck the vertices no dey moderately aligned. So I go bring them. I go correct their positioning, like so. I go dey correct their positioning because some parts dey close together, some parts get too much of space. So and I no want that. So I go dey correct am, because if I continue to dey extrude like that, the problem go dey consistent. I mean, go dey continuous. So and I no want make that happen. So I go correct everything wey I see say I no like, and then I go go to side view. I go extrude, bring it down small a little bit, like so. So the reason why I dey go layout from time to time be say I wan dey see wetin I dey do. Remember I say I keep saying say you gats know wetin you dey do, because if you no check am, remember wetin I tell you, e dey compound your problem. So now I go go to wetin I do be say I quickly change the cursor, the position of the cursor to the middle of the neck, and I just as e don dey the middle of the neck, for that place where you see me where I go now, I just go change am to 3D. So it means say you don change your previous point to where the cursor dey right now. We go dey do this thing, this scale wey we do now, we go dey do am from time to time, so you go dey understand. But for now, just do as I dey do. Then I go do the same thing for here. I go click the middle and then snap cursor to selected, and then I go scale am down. If you don't select the mid vertex, the one wey dey middle, then press Shift S and then choose cursor to selected. So the cursor go disappear to selected, and then that's how to do it. So now I don change am back to medium points. I don change the previous point to medium point. You see where I dey change am for top for that place. So now the scope be that, because as you dey change am, you go fit, the kind of changes wey you go fit do go dey different. So you see the space where I dey talk about for here, you see say the space don plenty. So I go select all these vertex. I go right click and I go look for edge slide. Edge slide go allow you to slide your edge, unlike moving vertex wey be say e go dey very difficult small to correct a lot of vertices. But edge now you go fit slide. If I slide, you see say e dey moderate just for this part wey be say e go in small. That side dey inside small, so I go correct am. So the reason why I dey slide edges be say I want all the space between all these edges, vertex or faces to be roughly the same size. because na that way e go make sense. If one side dey big pass the other side, na rubbish. So na like so we go dey go. So I will continue to do edge slide just to correct all the edges. And if you look closely, you go see the edges now, all of the faces, I mean the box, so you see everything gets roughly about the same size, even if not the same size. So I will go back to vertex. I will select all these vertices. I will, try to adjust where it needs to be adjusted. And I will, select vertices, scale, and all sorts of things. Nothing what I go do now, we go do you see, say I don't change the preview point again. Snap the cursor to the selected. I go select the middle one, then change them to 3D for the top place. Then I go scale on for here. Nothing where I did do now, we never see me do before, but I guess redo them so that after this tutorial now, we know say all these things now. Anytime where I need to do them for Blender, I don't go need to explain them again. I go just make everything snappy. But I want to make you see all the things where I do for here, so that you go don't see them first and before. No, we say later. You go dey wonder how some things are being made. So now why they show you details of how I do all these things. You see, I don't change the pivot point to median point, so that median point dey different. I know if you know median, you know what median means. Anything where I select now, from the middle I go fit scale and you understand median now. But if you choose 3D, mean say where your 3D cursor dey now, from there your changes will start to dey happen. I don't know if you understand what I talk. So I will move all these vertices and then I go align them with my reference image, like so. Now select all of those ones and then I will move them back a little bit. Select that one, edge slide, and then I think everything they look good. So they go to layout from time to time to see wetin dey happen for your model. So I go extrude for the last time to finish up the body. And then I will select all these vertices and shift and go front a little bit. Let's check what we do for layout now. Now what we get for layout with this. So I be like say we dey arrive at something. So now I go begin to do the leg now. So I go select these 4 edges where you see so for here now. And then I go press E to extrude. So if I extrude downwards, I go begin to scale inwards.